Hello student, today we start here the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. So there are only 4 demerits in this standard and 10th standard textbook. So we will explain it here today in this video. So look at here, what is the points of today? That is the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table. So student, as we see here, the scientists Dobereiner, Newlands try for the classified two elements. The next very great work of Mendeleev's we see here in our last topic. But by arranging the elements in table, the Mendeleev successfully arranged the elements. Okay, as very successful as compared to Dobereiner and Mendeleev. But instead of this success, there are some demerits also. The first demerits, but these demerits are not very notable. This is simple demerit. So the first demerit was the whole number of aromatic mass of element cobalt and nickel is the same. Therefore, there was an ambiguity regarding their sequence in Mendeleev's periodic table. Atomic mass of cobalt and nickels are same. Whole number of atomic mass of cobalt and nickel is same. So there is ambiguity, was an ambiguity, therefore there was ambiguity their sequence regarding their sequence in Mendeleev's periodic table. Sequence in Mendeleev's periodic table. This is the first demerit. This is not very much notable demerit because mass of cobalt and nickel almost similar. That's why no problem. Cobalt and nickels are arranged one after one. Okay, but this is considered as the first demerit. Second one, the isotopes were discovered long time after the Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. Isotopes have the same chemical property but different atomic masses. A challenge was posed in placing them in Mendeleev's table. So this is second demerit regarding isotopes. Isotopes were discovered long time after Mendeleev discovered long time after Mendeleev. After Mendeleev's table, periodic table. Periodic table. So this is the demerits because isotopes have the same chemical property but different atomic masses. Isotopes, then how we can explain this topic? So look at here. Suppose we have isotopes for carbon 13 and carbon 14. These two isotopes we have, and this isotope showing the same chemical property. But now the when we regarding the atomic masses of them, so atomic mass of carbon 30 is different and carbon 14 is different, so we cannot place both isotopes at the same place whether their chemical properties same. If chemical properties are same, that time also we cannot put them together. So this is the second demerits of Mendeleev periodic table. So next demerits is third, when the elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic masses, the rise in atom mass does not appear to be uniform. That is the not problem of Mendeleev, because the masses is not unified. Rising masses of elements in masses of atomic masses of 1 minute. The third demerits is when the elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic masses, the rise in atomic mass does not rise in atomic mass is not uniform. So we cannot say that the which elements between the masses of two elements. Suppose one elements have a mass. Suppose we have nitrogen having mass 14, and after that sodium having mass 13.5. okay, the mass between these two elements, there are the elements are present in between nitrogen and sodium having mass 15, 16, 17, 18, like this. But 15, 16, 17 are the uniform masses. This is whole number in masses, but these elements, when the Mendeleev arranged the elements in increasing order, that time these masses was not uniform. So that time we could not discover between two heavy elements. Therefore, to predict how many elements could be discovered between two heavy elements, this is not happen with Mendeleev here. So this is the third demerit. I am repeat again, rise in atomic mass is not uniform, therefore this is the problem. If there is rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform, it was not possible, therefore to predict how many, there was not possible. What is not possible there? There was not possible how many elements are present. So there was not possible there was not possible that how many possible that predict the